Let's be honest, researching for life insurance isn't exactly fun. Most people put it off because they think it's going to be a long, complicated process filled with paperwork, medical exams, and endless waiting. But what if you could get covered in just a few minutes without stepping foot in a doctor's office? That's exactly what Bestow promises to do. Bestow is one of the newer players in the life insurance game, and they're taking a modern approach to it. Instead of requiring you to meet with an agent, get a medical exam, and wait weeks for approval, they've made everything completely online. Their goal? Make life insurance simple, fast, and accessible to more people. But does it really live up to its promise? In this review, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about Bestow, from how it works, what it costs, and who it's best for. By the end of this, you'll know whether it's the right fit for you or if you should keep looking. Let's get started. What is Bestow Life Insurance? Bestow is an online-only life insurance provider that was founded in 2016 and is based in Dallas, Texas. Unlike traditional life insurance companies, Bestow operates entirely on technology and data. Instead of requiring applicants to take a medical exam, they use an algorithm to determine eligibility based on information like health history, prescription drug use, and lifestyle habits. Now, here's something important to know. Bestow only offers term life insurance. If you're looking for whole life insurance, universal life insurance, or policies that build cash value, you won't find that here. Bestow is all about keeping things simple. Their policies cover you for a specific period, anywhere from 10 to 30 years, with coverage amounts ranging from $50,000 to $1.5 million. The company doesn't actually underwrite its own policies. Instead, the policies are issued by North American Company for Life and Health Insurance, which has an A+ rating for financial stability. This means that even though Bestow is a relatively new company, your policy is backed by a well-established insurer. So in theory, Bestow sounds great, but let's talk about how it actually works in practice. So how does Bestow work? One of the biggest reasons people put off getting life insurance is that it feels like a hassle. Long applications, medical exams, and weeks of waiting just to find out if you're approved or not. Bestow is changing that by making the entire process 100% online, with no medical exams and instant approval for those who qualify. So how does it actually work? Well, first, you'll start by answering a few basic questions. Bestow asks for details like your age, gender, height, weight, and health history. Unlike traditional insurance companies, you won't have to schedule a medical exam or talk to an agent. Everything is handled through their digital platform. Next, Bestow uses advanced data analysis instead of medical tests to elevate your risk level. They pull information from public records, prescription databases, motor vehicle reports, and other sources to determine whether you qualify for coverage. This means no waiting for lab results or doctor reports, just a quick digital review of your application. If you're approved, you'll get a decision in minutes. Bestow will instantly show you your policy options, including different coverage amounts and term lengths. You'll have the flexibility to adjust the details to find the plan that best fits your needs and your budget. Once you select a policy and make your first payment, your coverage starts immediately. No delays, no extra steps, and no hidden fees. You're officially insured in less time than it takes to order dinner. Now, applying for life insurance can feel like a headache. Doctor visits, endless paperwork, and waiting weeks to find out if you're approved. But Bestow simplifies this by skipping the hassle. The pros of Bestow Life Insurance. So there's a lot to love about Bestow, especially if you're someone who values convenience and speed. Here's why people choose it. Number one, no medical exams ever. One of the biggest headaches of getting life insurance is the medical exam. Most companies require you to meet with a nurse, get your blood drawn, and wait for test results. But Bestow skips all of that. Instead, they use your health history and lifestyle information to make a decision. If you're relatively healthy, you can get approved without ever having to step foot into a doctor's office. Number two, lightning fast approval. Most life insurance applications take weeks to process, but with Bestow, you can go from start to finish in under 10 minutes. If you qualify, you can have coverage the same day you apply. That's a must-have for people who don't want to deal with a long, drawn-out process. 3, affordable rates. Bestow advertises policies starting between $8 and $11 per month. While your actual rate depends on factors like your age, health, and coverage amount, their pricing is competitive with other top insurers. Plus, because they don't pay commissions to agents, they're able to keep costs lower. 4. It's backed by a strong insurer. Since Bestow is a relatively new company, some people worry about whether if they can trust it or not. The good news is that their policies are backed by North American Company for Life and Health Insurance, which has an A+ financial rating. This means they have plenty of money to pay out claims when needed. Number 5, super user-friendly. Bestow's website is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. You can get a quote in seconds, and the whole process is straightforward and hassle-free. Unlike traditional insurers, you don't have to deal with pushy sales agents or confusing paperwork. Now for the cons of Bestow Life Insurance. Of course, no company is perfect, and here are a few things to keep in mind before choosing Bestow. Number 1, only term life insurance. If you're looking for a whole life policy or something that builds cash value over time, you won't find that here. Bestow is strictly for term life insurance, meaning your coverage will expire after a set number of years. Number 2, no riders or customization. Many life insurance companies offer riders, which are add-ons that provide extra benefits, like waiving premiums if you become disabled or paying out early if you're diagnosed with a critical illness. Bestow doesn't offer any riders, so what you see is what you get. Number 3, it's not available everywhere. If you live in New York, Colorado, or Maine, you're out of luck. Bestow doesn't offer coverage in these states. They're available in most places, but not everywhere. Number 4, age restrictions. Bestow is only available for people ages 18 to 60. If you're over 60, you won't be able to get coverage through them. Number 5, some pricing complaints. While Bestow advertises low starting rates, some customers report that their final price was higher than expected. This is because the initial quote doesn't factor in all of the underwriting details that Bestow gathers during the application process. So, final verdict. Is Bestow right for you? So is Bestow the right choice for life insurance for you? If you're under 60 and you need a straightforward term life policy without medical exams or long approval times, it's a great option. Unlike traditional insurers that require doctor visits, medical tests, and weeks of waiting, Bestow lets you apply entirely online and get an instant decision. You can secure coverage in just a few minutes without the usual back and forth, making it one of the fastest ways to get insured. If simplicity and speed are what you're looking for, Bestow is definitely worth considering. Now, if you want to get started with Bestow, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. One thing to keep in mind, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using the link, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Insurance Wise, we break down everything you need to know about business, home, auto, and specialty insurance, helping you make informed decisions and find the best coverage for your needs. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.